Everyone thinks the best-selling magnetic backup camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera. Let's kick things off with the AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera. What caught my attention here is its impressive 7.2-inch dual split screen and a price tag of $159.99. If you want full visibility while towing, this is worth a serious look. This camera addresses your safety needs with its 1080p HD resolution, giving you clear visibility of your surroundings, even in low light thanks to its advanced IR night vision. The dual antennas ensure a stable signal up to 524 feet, which is crucial when you're on the road with a trailer or RV. Plus, the installation is a breeze with its magnetic base. No drilling required, so you can set it up in just a minute. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it's a bit steep compared to others on the market. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about safety and visibility when towing, I think the investment is totally justified. This is perfect for you if you frequently tow a trailer or RV and want confidence on the road. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly or you don't need extensive features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for convenience and ease of use.
Product number 2. Lucidi Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The Lucidi Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, priced at $99.99. This caught my eye because it's incredibly user-friendly with its 3-minute plug-and-play setup. If you want hassle-free installation, this camera deserves your attention. The standout feature here is its rechargeable battery that offers over 18 hours of use, which means you can drive without constantly worrying about battery life. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures it stands up to any weather, so rain or shine, you're covered. Plus, the 150-degree viewing angle gives you a fantastic view behind you, which is great for tight parking situations. However, some reviews mention that the solar charging aspect might not be enough for consistent use, especially in low sunlight areas. But honestly, if you plan to use it primarily while driving, the fast charging feature offsets this concern. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable backup camera that's easy to install and use. Skip this one if you need a camera that operates solely on solar power without manual charging. Now, if the installation ease of the AutoVox bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its advanced connectivity options.
Product number 3. Casoda Wireless Backup Camera, which retails for $88.99. What piqued my interest is its ultra-strong Wi-Fi signal, which makes for a seamless experience. If you're looking for clarity and connectivity, keep listening. This camera features a high-definition 1080p CCD sensor, delivering crystal clear video. Its advanced 5G Wi-Fi chip enables a stable transmission distance up to 150 feet, which is impressive for a wireless camera. Plus, it has a user-friendly app designed specifically for this device, making it easy to navigate and set up. Some users reported issues with the installation process, mentioning it can be a bit tricky without proper guidance. But I'd argue that once you get past that initial hurdle, the performance and image quality really shine through. This is great for you if you often tow or drive larger vehicles and need a reliable camera that connects effortlessly to your devices. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional setup without using a smartphone app. Alright, if Casoda's installation challenge sounds like a hassle, the next product is all about quick setup and user-friendliness.
Product number 4. DVK-NM Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The DVK-NM Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, priced at $139.99. The unique selling point here is its 3-minute DIY installation, which makes it incredibly accessible. If you want something that you can set up without any fuss, this could be a solid choice. The camera comes with a full HD IPS panel monitor and offers dual power options, solar and USB charging. Plus, the 1080p CMOS image sensor means you get clear visuals, even at night, thanks to its infrared lights. The 328-foot transmission range is also noteworthy, ensuring you won't lose connectivity while driving. However, a few reviews mention that the monitor can be a bit bulky. Look, while this can be a slight inconvenience, the benefits of clear visuals and easy setup outweigh this drawback. This is perfect for you if you prioritize clear visuals and easy installation process. Skip this if you want a more compact monitor setup. Now, if the size of DVK-NM's monitor raised any concerns, the next option offers a larger display and enhanced features.
Product number 5. Venluna Dual Wireless Magnetic Backup Camera. We have the Venluna Dual Wireless Magnetic Backup Camera, priced at $189.99. This one caught my attention with its 7-inch 1080p monitor and ability to support up to 4 cameras at once. If you want full coverage, this might be your best bet. With its solar-powered 15,000 mAh battery, you can expect impressive longevity on the road. The night vision and 170-degree lens ensure that you won't miss a thing, even in the dark. Plus, the built-in DVR loop recording feature offers peace of mind by automatically saving your footage. But a few buyers noted that the setup could take a bit longer due to multiple camera connections. Here's the thing though, if you need comprehensive coverage, this is a very small trade-off for the benefits you gain. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles to monitor or if you tow regularly. Skip this if you only need a simple single camera setup. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, it's clear that each has its strengths and weaknesses.
To wrap things up, the AutoVox is fantastic for visibility. The Low Sudi shines for ease of installation. The Casoda offers great connectivity. The DVK-NM is super user-friendly, and the VenLuna provides comprehensive coverage. Each has its unique benefits, so choose what fits your needs best.